everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve full storage on Clash of Clans. To know how to fix or how to solve full storage on Clash of Clans app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you'll enter to the window of Clash of Clans. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors on your app. And in the end of all these steps, you can click clear cache and you can go to Play Store. If you find your update, you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and you are watching.